Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're talking Tesla, the number one name in electric vehicles. Buckle up, cause here are 11 reasons why Tesla is straight up dominating the EV game. First up, their tech is just on another level. Tesla is always pushing the limits, developing the most cutting-edge autonomous driving capabilities. We're talking the future is now with Tesla's self-driving tech. And let's talk range. Tesla EVs can go way farther than other electric whips thanks to their maxed-out batteries. Plus, their massive supercharger network means you can juice up lightning fast anytime, anywhere. No range anxiety in a Tesla. Speaking of charging, Tesla's got over 25,000 superchargers worldwide, so road tripping is easy breezy. Just plug in and charge up super fast. Plus, their cars look slick as hell. Inside and out, Tesla's designs are just gorgeous, all smooth lines and giant touchscreens. Makes other EVs look like toy cars. And we can't forget that Tesla's not just a car company, they innovate on solar and batteries too. They're truly an energy innovation powerhouse. Then there are the gigafactories churning out Teslas at mad speed. That's how they can deliver cars to the whole globe. From China to Europe and beyond, Tesla is going worldwide. And that spells the Tesla brand name being seared into brains across the planet. Tesla is electric cars for so many people. Just look at their sales numbers. Sustainability is also huge for Tesla. They want to save the planet with EVs and solar. And you bet people are on board with that mission. Speaking of fans, the Tesla community is no joke. Owners love their Teslas and can't stop raving about them. They're like a marketing army spreading the word. So there you have it, 11 reasons Tesla is straight up dominating EVs today. No one else is even close. But more competition is coming, so things will get interesting. Let me know what you think of Tesla's rise to the top in the comments. And smash that like button if you enjoyed.